Many lessons are learned from many people. In my case, I learned from my dad. Peace. No matter what folks say, peace in the valley, peace in the family, peace in good company, peace in unity. You just won't find peace. One must realize that peace, true peace, can be found in one who truly seeks for that feeling. So, while there is fellowship, or reunions, or family gatherings, while each one tries to reach out, shout out, or reason out, our clashes for attention will cause us to go to our private wars and public preferences. Dad quotes, "Peace is one silence over the noise that surrounds."